Welcome back to the Race to Cafe. Today we'll be doing the triple tree clamp. We'll be putting the rear brake back together and putting that on the wheel. My forks are also ready to go back on the triple tree. I've got my swing arm reassembled, painted. I've also got a bunch of other painted stuff in here, like my kickstand and my rear passenger peg mounts. Those can all go on the bike. My shocks came in the mail recently, so those can all go back on. And by the end of this, I should have something that looks somewhat like a bike. Not a finished bike, like half a bike. A somewhat bike-looking structure. So, let's get to it. We're like a drain. So obviously there's still some stuff I've yet to do on this thing. I'm actually gonna be taking the rear and front wheel off again. I have to balance them yet. I've also got to put the rear sprocket on this guy. I just had to put it together. I had to see how it looked. I had all the pieces ready and I got too excited. I like how it looks so far. I love how the frame hoop turned out. I like the angle of it. I might actually shorten it sometime in the future, not sure about that yet. But the color scheme of the bike, I haven't really talked about this yet. I'm gonna be doing orange, black, and gray. I'm gonna be doing primarily black, and then I'm gonna do some stuff in gray on the tank, I think. And then got these accent pieces I'm gonna be doing in orange. So I got the shocks there. I'm gonna be doing the grips in orange, and then some of the stitching on the seat I think I'm gonna do in orange as well, just to make the bike pop a little bit. I love how that turned out so far, so I think I'm gonna stick with that. And yeah, that's how she's looking so far. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.